What's up? Welcome to another episode of On the Other Side of the Road. I'm coming over to my mom's house to pick up my unemployment check. So I'm gonna be safe. I'm gonna stay outside here and go to the window and pick it up there. There's my mom right there in the window. Hi, Ma. You quiere que la suba ahí? Yep, I'm gonna pick up this window for her here. That's good. So yeah, picking up my unemployment debit card here and going back home, and this is about as close as I get to my mom's over here. You know, she has been recuperating from cancer twice. She had it. She had basal melanoma in the back of the ear here, and she also later on, after she beat that, about maybe 9 months later, she discovered she had a lump, and she went and took care of that. They took care of her real well. She's recovering right now. She's doing pretty good, as you can see her in the window there. She's got the window closed, so we don't make any contact. She's gonna slip me the envelope through the bottom of the window, and again, I'm gonna say my goodbyes. All right. All right, Ma. Oh, she gave me more mail. Okay. ¿Tiene más? No. I got a lot of mail because this is where I pick up my stuff. So I just put that there. Let me get the rest of it here. And my, oh, look at that. The Hog magazine. All right. So, ¿cómo tú estás? ¿Tú estás bien?
Bien. Loca por salir.
¿Con quién tú estás ahí?
Sola.
Sola.
Porque
So,
allá anda haciendo diligencia.
okay.
¿Con qué tú hablas?
Yo no estoy hablando con nadie, estoy grabando. So, yes, my mom is by herself for now, you know. My sister, she lives with my sister, so she's alone right now. She's doing pretty good. She can take care of herself, you know. My sister should be back pretty soon. But anyway, there goes all my mail right there. And now I'm going to head out and say goodbye. Peace. All right, so here we are. I got my mail. I got my unemployment in there, and I'm heading home now. Get out my baby right there and head back to the house.